Come in. Hi. Good morning. Wow. Kanino mo bibigay yan?
Austin.
Chris Austin. Ano sasabihin kay Chris Austin? How this?
Food.
This is something squishy. Last week po is something blue. And then tomorrow something funny.
Bye-bye.
Ano sasabihin kay Kuya Austin?
Thank you.
No, Merry Christmas. And then sa Wednesday, yung final nilang gift. Hold this. No, don't punch this. Yan, love mo yan.
Bye-bye.
Kayo, bigay mo yan pagpunta mo ha. Bigay mo agad kay.
Because he's hungry. Is he hungry?
Ano ba yung nasa loob niya? What's that? Ha? Ano yung nasa loob? What's that? No, don't open it. Kay Kuya Austin yan. Ano yung nasa loob niyan? Something squishy. What's that? Ay, nabuking na! Bigay mo yan kay Kuya Austin, ha? Okay, bye-bye na!
Bye.
Bye! Bye-bye!
Can you put the daddy?
Yes. Bye.